In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create lead magnet page on Beehiiv. We'll walk through Beehiiv's website builder to quickly set up a clean, conversion-focused page that aligns with your brand. Start by opening your Beehiiv dashboard and heading to your newsletter workspace. From the left-hand navigation, select Website. This takes you to the area where you control your public-facing site. Next, click Builder to open Beehiiv's visual website builder. This is where we'll choose a layout, customize styles, and get the page live. When you're prompted to pick a starting point, choose Simple Blog. Beehiiv also offers link in bio and news site, but Simple Blog is a great base for a lead magnet because it prioritizes clear headlines, concise copy, and strong calls to action. Click Next to continue. Now pick a new template within that category. Browse the options and select one that matches the tone of your offer. Something minimal if you want the form to stand out, or something with more imagery if you plan to feature a mock-up of your download. You can always refine later, so don't overthink it. Click Next, and then Next again to move into styling. Update your color palette. Choose a primary color that will be used for buttons and sign-up elements. For lead generation, high contrast, accessible colors work best. Keep your palette tight. One primary, one accent, and a neutral background to make your call to action unmistakable. Click Next. Adjust typography. Pick a headline font that's bold and readable, and a body font that's clean and easy on the eyes. If you're unsure, look at the font combination presets and select a pairing that feels professional and consistent with your brand. Presets are a quick way to avoid mismatched styles. Click Next. You'll land on a review screen summarizing your choices: template, theme, colors, and type. If you see a template name like Studio or a specific theme listed, that's simply confirming what you selected. Give everything a quick check to ensure it supports a single, compelling action. Subscribing to receive your lead magnet. When it looks right, click Start Building. From here, Beehiiv scaffolds your site with the template you chose. If you're ready to ship the basics now, click Publish Now. Beehiiv also offers the option to explore the editor and publish later, but publishing immediately is helpful if you want a live link you can refine over time. Finally, click Continue to confirm and push your changes live. That's it. Your lead magnet page is set up, branded, and published using Beehiiv's website builder.